What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. So today we're going to do part 3 of my kitchen organization project. Today we're doing the utensil drawers. Yes, we're cracking open this island and we're going to organize all my utensils in these drawers. So join me. It's What's Up Wednesday and it's time to organize these utensil drawers. So my first organization project was the dining room, and I did a video about that a few weeks ago. Now I'm moving into the kitchen, so we're going to be organizing all the utensil drawers in my island, and then we're going to be doing the pantry. Right? So what happened when we moved in here is my plan was to put all my everyday use sort of utensils in this island, but it didn't actually happen that way. I have a lot of stuff in here that I don't use on a regular basis, and I have stuff in the pan room that I really would rather have in here. And I even have one drawer that basically has nothing in it. So one piece of advice that I can give you for kitchen organization is to make sure that you're periodically going through all your utensil kind of junk drawers, to clean them out and to wash everything out. Because I can tell you in my junk drawers, I have a little bit of crumbs that have gotten in there. I usually empty my drawers out probably every 6 months and wash all the organizers I have in there, but I haven't done that, so it's way overdue. And this is what I mean. Look at this. This is an absolute disaster. I have so much stuff in here. So this is the first drawer, and in here I have tongs. I don't really like keeping my tongs inside my utensil holder by the stove because they tend to open up and then I can't get anything else out of there. I also have in here a bunch of steak knives. And if you look down in here, those things need to be washed out. Here I just have a whole mess of stuff like this right here. I really don't even use this, so that's out of here. Drawer number 2 has my everyday beater knives in here. I need to get these out here and run a sharpening on them. I have some miscellaneous things here. I don't know why those are there. Drawer number 3 is my silverware. I have a ducky chip clip in here. I also have a bunch of these portion cups. Look at that mess. Look what's down there. A piping tip. I have some peelers in here. Drawer number 4 has the part to the Vitamix. It has can openers, ice, apple slicers. It has these spoons that I don't really use, so those can come out of here. In here is a complete disaster. I have strainers. I have graters. I have rice paddles. I have spatulas that I don't use. I have some whisk. I have dishers. This is just a hot mess. And this bottom drawer has nothing in it. It has a piece to our wood fire grill. It has some scoops that came with those dog food containers that I have the flour in. And I have a scale. So I can do much better than this. So I really think my first step is to get all this junk out of here. And then I will wash out all my organization containers, if you will. I don't know what you call them. And then I'm going to start sorting some stuff and only putting back what I use on a regular basis. I might bring a couple things in from the other room. I don't even have a decent whisk in here. So some of this stuff is going out of here and a few things are coming in. So my very first step, let me empty out these drawers. So part one, we're getting all these things out of here and I'm starting to sort. That's my pile for that stuff is out of here. So part two is getting these things all washed and clean. Okay, so as you can tell, I officially sweated my hair out, right? So I emptied all that stuff. I cleaned everything up. I got rid of the stuff that I don't need in there. I do have room for stuff when I decide that I need stuff on the daily basis. I found stuff in there like things that I rarely use, that are like specialty things that I don't use that often, and they were in there, so they went out. I did have a bunch of new organizer things. This was actually currently a no spend, right? I did have some organizing things that I bought when we first bought this house that I never got around to using, so I grabbed a lot of those. We washed everything up. We cleaned everything up and now the drawers are looking amazing. So let me show you what I did. So drawer number one. Look at that. So this is what I did. These are all my peelers. Look at that. I have way too many peelers. These containers I got from Target. They were like $2 and you get 3 of them. They're not super high quality, but they'll work in a pinch. In here, I have bottle openers, I have my garlic peeler, and I have a strawberry holer. I have my tomato knives. Those are my rated tomato knives, which I have some more of those, so I don't know where they are. These are going to be serrated like steak knives. These are regular steak knives, and these are some miscellaneous. I have some more paring knives that I want to put in here, and other little knives, so those are where those are going. These will fill up over time. Beater knife drawer is largely the same. I still have the same setup. I just sharpened all these knives. I put this thing over here on the side. This has chip clips in it, and I have a big chip clip over there. So not a lot of change in my silverware drawer. I've had this silverware forever. It is getting a little beat up. I've had it literally for like 20 years. It's Reed and Barton and the pattern is bead. I have some kitchen shears there. Over here I have my absolute crazy amount of portion cups. These ones are a little bigger than these. I have this. It's a little thing that goes to my egg steamer that I lose. And over here is some holders for corn on the cob. Wow, look at this. This was one of the drawers that was the worst. All my tongs in one spot. I have 3 whisks in here. I have a Le Creuset, a silicone whisk, and that's an OXO, and this is an all-clad. I have another Thermopin that'll go there. I keep some lid over here because sometimes I make sauces, and I have some plastic lids that go in mason jars. I make sauces and I put them in mason jars. Way back there, I have a ruler that I use just for baking. This was the worst drawer, and now it's beautiful. So here I have my microplane. I have another small grater, fish spatula. I have my can openers, and those are garlic presses. In here I have a bowl scraper and just a little offset spatula. I have 2 little strainers right there. And back here I have my scoops for portioning. And the final drawer, look at that beauty. Meat choppers. I have 2 scrapers that came with that Instant Pot Dutch oven. Potato masher, a part for the Vitamix, and that is what Eric uses to core apples and section them, and that's a part to my immersion blender. And my immersion blender will go on the other side. I did it! Look at me, I'm completely sweated out, but all those drawers are fixed. This is a huge accomplishment in my kitchen organization process. And it didn't cost me any money. I had bought those organization things, those little, whatever you call them, trays, a while ago. So I just pulled them out and I finally used them. I'm tired. I want to rest. It's Wednesday, cooks. If you are getting ready to prepare for the fall and holiday season, this is the best time to start your organization projects because we're at a slow point right here, right? Next month's Halloween, then we're moving into Thanksgiving, and it's showtime for us as cooks. So this is a time we have a little bit of time to get things together, to get our equipment together, to get everything organized. So when we're cooking, it's faster and easier to find things. I hope you got some inspiration for this. I can't say that I'm like the greatest organizer, but I'm trying, and I think I made a lot of progress today. So thanks for joining me, cooks. What's up? It's Wednesday. I hope you have a great day.